Thinking about buying a home in Southwest Florida and worried about insurance costs, especially flood insurance? Many buyers focus on price and their monthly budget and forget that insurance costs can make or break the home's affordability. Today, I'll explain exactly how insurance affects buying a home here in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Bonita Springs. Hey, I'm Tom F. Miller, Tom Your Florida Realtor. I help buyers purchase homes throughout Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Bonita Springs, and all of Southwest Florida. And insurance questions come up in almost every transaction. When you buy a home, your monthly payment isn't just your mortgage. It's principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. And in Southwest Florida, insurance can be a much bigger number than buyers expect. If insurance is too high, it can affect your loan approval, your buying power, or even cause delays right before closing. Homeowners insurance is required if you're getting a mortgage. In Florida, insurance companies are more than likely to require a 4-point inspection, as well as a wind mitigation report. And homes with older roofs, outdated electrical systems, or limited storm protection often cost more to insure. That's why insurance should be considered before you write an offer. Flood insurance is separate from homeowners insurance. It may be required if the home is in a FEMA flood zone or you're using a mortgage. And even if it's not required, many buyers still choose flood insurance for peace of mind, especially after recent storms. Flood insurance costs vary based on flood zone, elevation of the home, its age, and construction type, and FEMA's Risk Rating 2.0 system. That's why two homes on the same street can have very different flood insurance premiums. Can buyers avoid flood insurance? Well, sometimes. If the home is in a low-risk flood zone, or you're paying cash, or the lender doesn't require it, you may not need flood insurance, but this is not something to assume. It has to be confirmed. Insurance costs are part of your debt-to-income ratio. If insurance comes in higher than expected, your lender may not approve the loan because it may skew the debt-to-income ratio they use. So what do? Well, you may need to adjust your budget or renegotiate the deal. But pro tip here, the seller insurance policy may be transferable, which can be a huge saving. This is why waiting until the last minute to shop insurance is risky. When I work with buyers, I review flood zones with them before offers are written and have then discussed the insurance need with a licensed insurance agent up front, helping buyers estimate insurance costs early. And by coordinating with lenders and insurance agents, this helps protect timelines and deposits. So planning ahead always avoids stress later. Insurance, and particularly flood insurance, are part of buying a home in Southwest Florida. When you understand the costs early, you buy with confidence and avoid surprises. If you're buying a home in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Bonita Springs, or anywhere in Southwest Florida, and you want help navigating insurance and flood zones and other important need-to-knows, comment details below to receive a link to the current FAQ for Southwest Florida. Call or text me at 239-313-9209 or visit swflreal-estate.com. Don't forget the dash. I'm Tom, your Florida Realtor. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest on the Southwest Florida real estate market. And I'll see you in the next video. Watch next, how insurance costs affect selling a home in Southwest Florida. Check out all of our blogs on swflreal-estate.com. Don't forget the dash for answer to all of the most current questions on Southwest Florida real estate.